was fire in the sky last night, followed by a huge boom. It happened about 11:45. It was captured by the Lamy Observatory. The streak across the sky has been classified as a meteor fireball. The classification is often determined by how bright it appears. In this case, it was brighter than Venus and even the moon.
And many of you are commenting about it on our Facebook page. Cora says she heard the boom and the lights went off. Brandon says the boom sounded like thunder.
People in Albuquerque's North Valley tell News 13 it was so loud their houses shook. They wonder if the meteor actually crashed here.
For the first time, scientists say they have captured on camera an asteroid breaking into pieces. The asteroid was traveling in the crowded belt between Mars and Jupiter. It's common.
Fireball we told you about last night, the one that lit up the early morning sky from eastern Quebec to Nova Scotia. What you just saw was new video of it from New Brunswick. But wait, there's more. This is from a webcam in Digby, Nova Scotia. So why are we still talking about this meteor? Because we received word today that another meteor fell about 24 hours later, again on the East Coast, again in the wee hours of the morning.
Greater Toronto Area residents on Sunday reportedly heard a loud bang and saw a flaming object streak across the sky. A person in Oakville reported seeing the object around 4:15 p.m. Sunday. Others spotted something as far east as Whitby and as far north as Newmarket. Peterborough police have received several calls describing some type of explosion and houses shaking in the aftermath.
Speaking of comets, Comet 209P Linear makes a close pass by Earth on May 29th. You may be able to spot the small, faint comet as it passes the familiar constellations Ursa Major and Leo from May 10th through the 27th. On the nights of May 23rd and 24th, Earth will possibly pass through the dust trails left by this comet in its previous orbits. If this happens, we just might see a new meteor shower. This potential new shower is so new that astronomers are not quite sure what to expect. Predictions run from less than 100 meteors per hour up to an unlikely but possible meteor storm as high as 1,000 per hour. The meteor shower's radiant is near Polaris and the constellation Camelopardalis, the camel leopard or giraffe, and it favors observers in southern Canada and the continental U.S. Set your alarm clock for midnight on May 23rd and 24th and keep your eyes peeled for slow-moving but bright meteors both nights if you can.